Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add and delete fields in your Mailchimp audience. Managing your audience fields effectively allows you to collect and organize the exact information you need from your subscribers, making your email campaigns more targeted and personalized. Let's jump right into it. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your account credentials, so go ahead and type in your email and password to access your Mailchimp account. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation bar where you'll see various menu options. Click on Audience. This is your central hub for managing all subscriber information and settings related to your email lists. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Audience Dashboard. This will take you to an overview of your audience where you can see key metrics and access various management tools for your subscribers. Next, locate the Manage Audience dropdown at the top of the page and click on it. From the options that appear, select Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for customizing how you collect and store subscriber information. Within Settings, click on Audience Fields and Merge Pipe Tags. This is where all your custom fields are stored and managed. Once you're in this section, click on Edit Audience Fields to access the field management interface. Now, to add a new field, look at the top right part of your screen and click Create a New Field. This opens up a form where you can define your new custom field. Enter a field label that describes what information you want to collect, such as company name or phone number. Then, select the appropriate data type from the drop-down menu, whether it's text, number, date, or another format. Finally, enter the tag you're going to use for this field in your campaigns, then click Save. Your new field is now added and ready to collect data from your subscribers. To remove a field you no longer need, locate it in your field list and click on the 3 vertical dots next to it. From the options that appear, click on Delete. Mailchimp takes data deletion seriously, so you'll be prompted to confirm your action. You'll see a checkbox that says, I understand that this action cannot be undone. Check this box to acknowledge that deleting the field will permanently remove all the data stored in it for your entire audience, then click Delete, and there you have it. You now know how to add custom fields to gather specific information from your subscribers and delete fields you no longer need to keep your audience data clean and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.